Ever pondered over the intricacies of sourcing products from overseas? The complexities and challenges of this process can be mind-boggling. There are several factors at play, each adding its own layer of difficulty to the task. One of the first hurdles is the language barrier. An ocean may separate you and your supplier, but it is the invisible wall of language that proves to be the most formidable. Understanding and being understood can become a monumental task when dealing with a vendor who speaks a different language. It's like playing a game of telephone where the message is bound to get distorted. Then, there's the challenge of cultural differences. Every country has its own culture, its unique way of doing business. Navigating these differences can be like walking a tightrope. A misstep can lead to misunderstandings and even broken business relationships. It's essential to take the time to understand these cultural norms and rules to do business effectively and efficiently. The issue of quality control is another significant challenge. Maintaining quality standards is not just about ensuring that the products meet your requirements, it's about guaranteeing that they meet the expectations of your customers. This is especially difficult when the procurement is done from thousands of miles away. Procuring products from overseas isn't just about overcoming these challenges, it's about understanding them. It's about learning to navigate the labyrinth of intricacies this process presents. It's about crafting a successful procurement strategy that takes into account these challenges and turns them into opportunities. Successful procurement is about building robust relationships with suppliers. It's about visiting their sites, gaining first-hand knowledge of their capabilities. It's about negotiating terms and logistics effectively, ensuring that the products reach you in time and in perfect condition. However, this process is not without pitfalls. Mistakes are commonplace and can prove to be costly, but with the correct approach and careful planning, they can be avoided. There are 5 common mistakes that many businesses make when sourcing products from overseas, and we've identified them so you can avoid falling into the same traps. In the end, sourcing products from overseas is a complex process, fraught with challenges. But with the right approach, it can also be an opportunity for growth and success. Ever pondered over the intricacies of sourcing products from overseas? The answer to this question is hidden in the labyrinth of complexities and challenges this process presents. Understanding these issues is not only about avoiding pitfalls, it's about crafting a successful procurement strategy. It's about fostering robust relationships with your suppliers, gaining first-hand knowledge of their capabilities through visits, and negotiating terms and logistics effectively. However, mistakes are commonplace in this process, and we've identified 5 that you should sidestep. First off, heed the age-old saying, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Misleading product representations are an alarmingly prevalent pitfall to be wary of. There are instances where suppliers, in an attempt to secure buyers, exaggerate, overstress, or even misrepresent the capabilities or quality of their products. However, it's crucial to remember that a sample is merely that, a single representation. It does not guarantee the quality, performance, or capabilities of the entire product line. In no way does it provide a holistic understanding of the product range or its overall competence. Therefore, it becomes imperative to always question, to probe deeper, to ask for more samples, and to request detailed product specifications. If possible, visiting the manufacturing site can provide an unparalleled insight into the product's quality and production. This isn't indicative of being overly cautious or suspect. Rather, it's a testament to being intelligent, prudent, and a well-informed buyer. Secondly, keep the phrase, beware of the bait and switch in mind. The bait and switch pricing scheme is a crafty, cunning maneuver where suppliers lure unsuspecting buyers with enticingly low prices, only to increase them at a later stage. To safeguard yourself against such practices, it becomes necessary to negotiate pricing terms unequivocally and transparently from the get-go. It's essential to foster an understanding with your supplier where there's no chance unexpected price hikes later on. Third on the list is the question, do you really know your vendor? The problem of inadequate vendor vetting, a common and potentially hazardous error in procurement. Understanding the strengths, weaknesses, and overall capabilities of your vendor is not just recommended, it's essential. It's important to remember that time and effort into thoroughly vetting your vendor can save you from potential discrepancies, misunderstandings, or even losses down the line. Fourthly, keep in mind the mantra, don't promise what you can't deliver. Overpromising on order quantities can strain, even rupture the relationship with your supplier. A realistic view of your order quantities and a clear communication of the same is essential in maintaining a healthy, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Lastly, never underestimate your supplier. Underestimating supplier capabilities can lead to overlooked opportunities and underexploited potential. Investing time and efforts in getting to know your suppliers, appreciating their strengths, acknowledging their potential, and maintaining open lines of communication can work wonders for your supply chain management. It can yield unexpected benefits and help you cultivate a strong, beneficial relationship with your supplier. In summary, successful overseas product sourcing involves avoiding common errors, clear negotiation, understanding Incoterms, and planning logistics. It involves being a well-informed buyer who understands the importance of strong vendor relationship and the potential pitfalls of overseas procurement. It's about being prudent, intelligent, and always ready to ask the right questions. This not only helps in ensuring the successful sourcing of products, but also in building a strong, beneficial relationship with your suppliers. For more insights and assistance in sourcing home decor and furniture products, don't hesitate to visit us at mondoro.com. Mondoro is your trusted partner in the intricate home decor and furniture industry. We are industry leaders, boasting years of experience in an ever-evolving market. Our team is composed of professionals who are experts in their respective fields. Whether you are a startup or an established business, we are dedicated to helping you succeed. We offer comprehensive services that cover the entire product development process. From initial idea conceptualization to sourcing the perfect materials, up to producing the final product, we've got you covered. We also ensure that we source only the best materials that are sustainable and ethically sourced, without compromising on the quality. Dedicated blog and podcasts at Global Trade Gal offer a wealth of knowledge, updated regularly to keep you informed on the latest trends in the industry. There's also our YouTube channel where we offer enlightening visual content. We advise you to subscribe to stay updated on our latest offerings. In addition, we pride ourselves on our exceptional customer service. We understand that each business is unique, which is why we offer bespoke solutions tailored to your specific needs. We're always ready to answer any questions and provide support at any stage of your product development journey. Let Mondoro assist you in creating, developing, and manufacturing excellent home decor and furniture products. Don't hesitate to contact us for your sourcing needs. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of product sourcing.